Click on the link below to get price. The KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost, specifically the XR model crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, delivers an exceptional riding experience that significantly enhances comfort and control on both rough and smooth terrains. As a cyclist who frequently navigates diverse conditions, I found this seatpost to be a game changer. Firstly, the design of the KINEKT XR is both sleek and functional. Its aluminum alloy construction not only reduces weight but also provides ample strength and durability. Weighing in at just over 500 grams, it adds minimal bulk to your bike while ensuring you have a responsive ride. The suspension system is ingeniously engineered, featuring a dual-spring mechanism that absorbs shocks and vibrations effectively, allowing for a smoother ride over bumps and potholes that would typically jar the rider. Installation was surprisingly straightforward. The seatpost fits seamlessly into most standard bikes, and the adjustment settings allow for a customizable ride height. Upon test riding various terrains, I noticed a marked improvement in my overall comfort level. Long rides that previously left me sore were transformed into enjoyable experiences. The suspension's responsiveness is particularly noteworthy. It adapts to the terrain, providing just the right amount of give without feeling spongy or overly soft. One of the standout features is its ability to enhance traction. With better rear wheel contact on uneven surfaces, my handling improved significantly, especially during turns and descents. I felt more secure and confident, knowing that I had the support needed to tackle challenging paths. However, it's worth mentioning that while the KINEKT XR excels in comfort, it may not be the best choice for every riding style. Competitive cyclists seeking maximum power transfer might find the slight flex less desirable during intense sprints. Despite this, for recreational riders and those who prioritize comfort, it stands out as an excellent investment. In conclusion, the KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost XR is a superb addition for anyone looking to elevate their ride quality. Its combination of lightweight materials, effective shock absorption, and improved handling makes it a worthwhile upgrade for both casual and serious cyclists.